Alistair Deruga, Sales and Marketing Director, Sam Communications. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we as a business have already made the leap to support businesses and are front running to take you on your journey to cloud technology. The exact numbers are difficult to evaluate, but there are, tunes of millions of handsets that need to move to IP technology over the coming next 3 to 4 years. The concern from my side or in the industry is that there doesn't seem to be a massive investment in engineering resource or development of engineers across the country to take customers from the move. So at Sam Communications, we're already helping partners, small resellers that are generally PBX and TDM engineers to move some of their customers onto IP technology. Some were maintaining it and doing it on their behalf as a subcontractor. Others were taking on the journey and training and developing their staff and engineers so they're fit to look after their customers and move them themselves. I would be concentrating in developing my engineering skill set for cloud-based services and the integration now with routers, PoE switches and the integration with IT services. I think engineers now need to be a lot more generic. They need to understand a lot more about the IT market as well, as all of the applications for both voice and IT are becoming more articulated. Sam ensure that all of their engineers are fully upskilled. They are always training and supporting each other on various different installs to make sure that staff are upskilled. They sit all of the latest courses from all of the providers and are basically making sure that they're kept up to speed with all of the technology as the providers upgrade and move things along. What we tend to do at Sam Communications is ensure that our junior or apprentice engineers spend time developing themselves with the senior engineers, both on installations and training classes, so they're developing themselves to make sure they can look after our customers and ensure they can improve their own skill set moving forward. I think a simple answer is no, not right now. When you think of the percentage of customers that need to move and the current bottlenecks that some providers are having deploying cloud technology, I think that could be a huge issue. And the market, and businesses need to react to that very quickly by upskilling their engineers. I think there's a lot of smaller resellers out there that are protecting their revenues on ISDN and PSTN technology, so therefore not pushing cloud forward to their customers and training their own staff to deploy it. If you're watching this video as a reseller and you are struggling or haven't quite developed yourselves to get ready to take your customers on that journey, we already work with several different providers and work alongside them. We can white label ourselves as your business. We can go in and see your customers, be consultative, we can train your engineers. Ultimately, the choice is yours. We have a wide berth of different product sets of how we can support resellers, but ultimately we're doing it for a lot of them already and we'll continue to do so. So Sam Communications, in summary, are there to help businesses move. We've been doing it for a long time now. We've been installing IP technology for 5 to 6 years. We work with some major providers and the best providers out there. Our engineers are highly skilled, we're flexible, hardworking, and we get the job done. And the customers' feedback from Sam is that they want to continue working with us and generally refer us on to other people within their network. And if you're watching this as a reseller, we are certainly not out there to be pinching everyone's end user customers. We are happy to work with you and take your customers on that journey, either white label subcontracting work or even training your team up so they become self-sufficient and then you become self-sufficient moving forward without the involvement of sound.